Today, I want to talk about something really interesting. The title is clickbaity. I know that. I'm really sorry for that. But this was just a question that I had for all of you. Do you want me to sell you a course? Now, let me give you context what happened. So, I got contacted by some company that helps creators monetize their audience by selling them some courses or having some subscription model, doing consultations, one-on-one calls, and all that. So, he was just like, hey, you can actually use this platform that you have, your YouTube channel, and tell people to buy some course that you can create on our own platform. And I said, why can I not provide it on YouTube? Right? What is the problem if I upload it on YouTube itself? And he said that it is not organized. There is no structure to it. And I said, okay, fine. Why should I price it? Right? Because I believe that most of the information that you want to learn is freely available on the internet. Okay, it is available for free. I never bought a course to learn about how to start a startup or how to start a podcast or something of that sort. I really didn't understand why I would be happy to sell you something that I wouldn't really buy in the first place. Right? Like if anyone out there would sell me a course to get to start a podcast or to start earning money, financial freedom, whatever that is, I won't really buy it. And so how can I sell that to you, people who watch my videos and learn from it? That's what I said. After that, he said that, oh no, you should definitely be charging. It's good to make some money while you can. And I was like, I'm making money elsewhere, right? I don't need to necessarily, monetize the audience that I have, people who come to learn from my videos, to get value out of my videos. I don't need to push my course down their throats or something like that. And he said that you should try to do something like this. And I'm like, I don't want to, right? Like I really like what people like Aman Dhattarwal and Gary Vaynerchuk have done. These are amazing people, right? If you talk to them, if you hear them on videos and on podcasts and all, they are amazing people. They have never really sold you a course or anything for that sort. Right? And I just wanted to be like them. I just wanted to be like this person who can provide everything for free. And then he said that people don't value free content. They will spend some money and then they will be like, okay, now I have spent some money. Now I have to use this course or this whatever I've bought carefully. And I was like, yeah, sure. That is a good point. I completely agree with that. But on the other hand, I would not want people that are not serious about that particular topic. The fact that you're using YouTube means that you don't want to pay for something, or you want to learn and see how it feels, first of all, right? That's what you want to do on YouTube. And then maybe if you like it, you can just go on Udemy and all that. You can find tons of cheaper courses over there. There is value into buying courses. By no means I'm telling you that, oh, you should not buy courses. You should definitely buy courses. I buy as many courses as I can, right? But I just don't think that this is the right time for me to, start making courses at this age, at this time. I just want to make sure that I can provide as much value as possible to you guys out there. And that's what I said. I said, I want to help my viewers. I want to give back as much as possible. That's why I started MarketUp. The whole idea of MarketUp was to provide you with experience, right? I floated that form, about 1,500 people filled it, I think, and I will be shortlisting people. It is taking me some time, so just wait. You will get the email if you get selected. If you do not, you will also get an email talking about why you were not selected. But the point here is, with MarketUp, I'm actually providing employability to you. I'm providing experience to you. I think that is a better feeling for me rather than just pitching my course or pitching my live course, whatever I have on the platform. So yeah, that was just something that I was thinking. A lot of people approached me saying that, hey, you should make a course, you should try to monetize your audience early on, showing me that, hey, take a look at this person on YouTube, take a look at that person on YouTube. They made tons of money selling courses. Now, I don't know if I should be doing this. Let me know in the comment section. Would you buy a course? Because I think that making a course is the simplest, easiest way to get rich on YouTube or on any other platform where you have eyeballs watching you. So that's what I think. You can simply just create a 1,000 rupee course. It is actually very cheap. 1,000 rupees is not a lot of money. Put it out there. Let's say someone has 100,000, subscribers, 1 lakh audience. let's say only 0.1% of the people convert, which is actually quite conservative, that would actually turn out to be a lot of people. How much is it going to be? What is it? 100 people. Okay, 100 people signed up for your course for 1,000 rupees. There you go, you've made 1 lakh rupees right there. So like this is what happens when you have YouTube. You can actually leverage it, you can scale everything. It's very simple to scale. Make a 50 rupees course and have like 2 million people buy it. That would be like the simplest path for you to gain financial freedom or whatever you want to do. But the point here is that I just don't want to do that, right? I just don't want to get into that trap of telling people to buy something that I have produced. That's pretty much it. Let me know what are your thoughts. This was an odd video. I completely agree with that. I will be making some amazing content. The freelancing videos will also be coming, so stay tuned for that. Just wait for some time. I'm trying to fix everything, right? I'm talking with some clients for MarketUp, trying to get them on board, trying to talk to some people who will be working with me on MarketUp. So just stay patient. I will be coming with some amazing content. We are hitting 50,000 subscribers as well. What do you want me to do at 50,000? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if there is something that you want me to give away, whatever that is, please let me know in the comment section down below. That would be amazing. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't sell any courses to anyone. If you do enjoy my content and want to support me, you can just hit the like button and share this video with as many people as possible. Subscribe kar do, and that would be pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.